everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you the Vichy Retinol Serum. If you have been looking for something to help with your fine lines, wrinkles, or just to refresh your skin texture, this serum might be what you need. It combines pure retinol, which is one of the most effective ingredients for anti-aging, with Vichy's signature mineral-rich thermal water to keep skin balanced and hydrated. So how to open and use Vichy Retinol Serum? Before we get into the result, let me quickly show you how to actually open this serum, because I know some of you might struggle the first time. When you take it out of the box, it comes with a little safety seal on the pump. First, remove the plastic cap, then give the pump a gentle twist until you hear or feel a little click. That means it's unlocked and ready to use. The first time you press the pump, you might need to press it a couple of times to get the serum flowing. That's totally normal. Once it comes out, just one pump is enough for your whole face. And you have to always apply it at night on clean and dry skin, followed by a moisturizer. So now I've been using the Vichy Retinol Serum for about a month. Let me tell you what I've noticed. At first, my skin needed a little time to adjust. I just used 2 or 3 times a week, not more, because it was a little bit red at the first week. That's normal with retinol, but after a couple of weeks, I started to see a difference. My skin looks smoother, especially around the fine lines, and my textures feels more even. I've also noticed a bit more radiance, like my skin just looks fresher when I wake up. Of course, it's not a miracle overnight, but with the consistent use, I can definitely see an improvement, and that makes me excited to keep going to see even bigger results over the next months. Hope you use this product by yourself and share your experience with me. Good luck!